So, ladies and gentlemen, here, this is me, Wayne Hassan, this is the tone. So, looking on the area here, so let's see what we have new here. So, this is a letter, a business letter that we are now as a bank, as the Stone Finance Bank, that department does this. We are now nominated as top 10 and top 1 real estate agent. Okay, so how we become real estate agents? That is the properties we shop online. Okay, and those properties we try to show you guys those properties we bought online. There are several properties. The apartment, the townhouses, which we bought $2, some of them $130, for which we have four apartments buildings there purchased, or 7 apartment buildings attached on one purchase list for $130, and then the other ones they are $7, $30. That is what we have right there. Otherwise, that is just a letter which are transformed as the real estate agent. So if you look here, this is the real estate website we have, and then our agent number is right there. We are located in London right there. So that is the brief about the real estate agent service that we have. And then when we click this link here, it will open the website we have. Okay, that has been opened to us. For us, we have, this is the current website we have, which they built for us. Okay, for which you can see we have ATM, mortgages, loans, line of credits, and which they label right there also. And then if you look, those are the areas the where we've been working Sudan. Okay, the combating of the Sudan map, which also can be found right there. That is our work history, and that is as disease departments, our concentrations as the Sudanese there. That is majorly summarizing where we were working. Okay, so that is briefly about the real estate agents we have. And then our video, which normally we upload it, can be also found here, and the brief descriptions about our detailing. So there are many other images which we have right there. Those are the mortgages we are talking about. These are the properties we bought, and the MasterCard we used to buy is also right there. The Visa, there, of course, as we said, that is the townhouses, apartments, and then. Okay, so that is briefly about us here. So this is Stone Finance Banks and these banks. So that is can tell you that that is our works and then the service. Briefly, that is the website. Okay, the website that is featuring us as is Stone Finance Banks and these banks. So the letters is attached to us prior to that one there. So that is quite overview of that one there. And then when we now look into where we are working, as we said, we talk of this this GoPro service, the GoPro. So once you have a GoPro, you can have this app here uploaded to your computers or on your mobile phone. Okay, once you upload this app here, this app can enable your Pro to edit the file on your Pro. Okay, such as those files can be edited and then they can look more professional files. Okay, so for which you can have your GoPro, whatever you don't have now GoPro, you can begin now editing the files within the images or photos you have on the file systems. You can upload them into video, and then you can track right away those videos. So that is the videos, how to make GoPro videos. Okay, if you have a GoPro, that is how to promote your GoPro. So if we click here, this link here, open in new videos, can take us to open in new videos. So like this one, this is where you have your editing done by your GoPro systems. If for instance you have your GoPro, you can go right there. This is where you have your go back files, and then here you have your addition, your live chats. Like a live chat, let's say this is a screened systems of your live chats, and then they can be revealed right there. You can see I'm now live right there. Okay, I'm live right there on the file systems. I'm live right there. So that is how you get your live videos under right there, and then you can put it over your video as well. And then you have your single cameras, which is this one here. That is for single cameras. Okay, like TikToks. Okay, that is TikTok systems for TikTok users. Oh, I normally close the entire files. Sorry for that. Let's open again. So that's how it goes. And then if you click here, this is create a new videos. It will tell you create a new videos. Here, create the videos with the edition with the other one. So that is of course here you can have your videos raised direct to YouTube. These the videos we are trying to create here. So they have text. You have your text right there. That is the text, and then you have your images. Uh, Getting you can file the free files. You can add blank paper here, right there. You can put the black papers, or you can go add any kind of papers you may have, and then you can have your other files, overlay background, and then the frames. Of course, that is how you can have those files. And then here, if we go with the video stocks, okay, video stocks are where you have your subscription button. For instance, you can get your subscription button adjusted also. Here with the subscriptions button, of course, is very easy. This is the subscriptions button. For instance, you can where you have your subscription button, you can play and readjust, and then see how your subscriptions button can be added to your YouTube channels, for examples. So that is like we created that one. That is already done. We created that files, and then how to fix it, that is depend how you want to fix the file. And then for instance, this is the files we are trying to right there create. This is our subscription button, and then for this one here, for this subscription button, you can minimize it. You can go right this end here. Okay, you can go right there over here, or you go effect, and then with the effect of this one here, the subscription button size. Okay, you can select which one you may want. Okay, over here, the size of your subscriptions button there right there. We have bigger, that is too big. We have smaller, we have different kind of sizes. Okay, and then that is this one here. We have the other one there. We have any kind of sizes. There are different kind of sizes, so you can select the sizes, and then you can try to resize them, and then adjust to wherever it goes. Okay, and then it's easier now to create what they call with your GoPro. For example, if you want, you are using your GoPro for a street, you are programming and street programs. Okay, you want at least you go to the market, you have 41 episode, you cook food, you eat food, and then you have food with public food you buy from restaurants, you eat it. You can edit all them here. Okay, you go here, you click here, on this line here, or you click here, and then where you can see right there, you can see upload files, and then you go files. Okay, you go to your computer systems, you go upload files. Okay, with your computer systems, you go to your computer system, you say upload files, and then for research we are dealing with the mortgages, we go with mortgages. Okay, so here we go normally mortgages, and then we have mortgage files uploaded right there, and then we grab that mortgage files and then we put them right there. Okay, you can see now we have the mortgages, we can resize it, we can do any way we want, we can add more files here, which will be on top right there, we can raise it up right there, or we can go and if you want the size of this file here, they're all right there, how you want them to look, and then they're all right there. If you want none, they're all right there. You want fade, not fade, you want original, they're all right there. Okay, so now that is with the effect, and then that is you want a different file, this side, the other side, that's how you goes. Okay, with that particular arrangements, it's very easy. You want the videos, and then the video length is right there, is like 4 seconds. We are still 4 seconds, and that is from if we are to play these videos from just right there from the start, we push this file right there to start, we can play this one here, it will go less than 1 second, and then we can pull that subscription button and we can put them where we can put that subscription button and leave them somewhere. Okay, this subscription button which you are seeing right there, we can push this one right there, and then we go right there, and then this subscription button we can push them somewhere right there. Okay, so that it will, people will be able to see, or we just we will remove this one. You can still remove it if you want to. This is just a temporary file which we are just training. Okay, you can remove it, you can, it's still the same. And if you don't want these pictures also is fine, you can remove it. And the whole thing is whatever you don't change, the changes is all fine. The title is right there, you can see your video title is right there. And then here, if now you want to upload it to the YouTube, you go right there. This is exporting the file to now YouTube, and then here you have your gems, which they called the diamond. If you are premier, you buy this one here. If we click this one here, this one will say it buy, upgrade it anyway. Okay, the video to 4K. This is like 4K's views. Okay, if you want to upgrade it to 4K views, and then you can upgrade it, you can buy. The programs is right there. Let me show you how much they control it for. Is for $13. If we choose it, we want it pay yearly. That $13 there will become $130, $129. So upgrading that to, you need MasterCard, and then you do that by MasterCard, but it's all fine. Okay, so we don't care about that one. That is all about MasterCard. So we have for 1080 pixels. Okay, 1080 pixels is regularly people are using the HDs normally. Okay, and then they have 720, 480. That is where the resolutions normal goes for free. So here you click right there to do that particular videos, and then it will take you right there. You can see the video is now uploading. Okay, this area here is uploaded, and then once you upload it, and then you can see this video here is right there, this video, and then you can play these videos to YouTube channel right away, to your YouTube channels. You see there, it can take you right there to your YouTube channels without using your GoPro, either without uploading somewhere. Well, you have your files, office files ready, and then you can do that without a GoPro. you see. But once you cannot do this when you don't have the GoPro, I guess. So you need to first to buy the GoPro to get you the papers connecting your device, your computers, systems, the phone, and then your cameras to do that. And then now, if you want to the files to be uploaded to this one, to YouTube's, and then you click the YouTube links, and then doing this one here is a waste at the moment. So we can cancel this upload right there. We don't need it because we do not save the name right there, and then we cannot save it, and then we have to go back to editing. Okay, so we are back to editing. That is how the whole thing is done, and then is where is all done by Microsoft chip chip uh, yeah, that is done by Microsoft James. Okay, so here you can see this is right there, is Microsoft. Okay, the file is right there. And then if you want the video title, you go right there by the video titles, but we can just leave it like that. I guess that's give you a sense somewhere there about the mortgages. You know, this is the mortgages. We last time we saw you guys, we have a books like this completed with mortgages informations, how much the mortgages they are selling around Canada, the mortgages price. These are the mortgages they sold. Their prices they are right there. The address number is right there. The bin numbers they are right there. This is right there, around right there, Niagara Falls. Okay, the homes, and then that's the amount of money, and then this is the number of the mortgages they're selling. So that's how we become the real estate agent, because the guy stolen our books, and then the book they stolen, so they catch it with the guy. That's why we were happened to be nominated as an estate agent for that purpose. Otherwise, that's briefly about the apps that's supporting the GoPro. If you do whatever you do not click your GoPro, you may found you can still do the jobs and upload the files, and then that way you are saving more data on your computers without going with the GoPros. If you don't need the GoPro statement at the moment, and then you can still save that space, then you can have your pictures just attached as a video, and then you go. That is one way like advertising your companies. If you want, for instance, to advertise your company, people must know briefly about your companies, and then what you do, and then how you do. That's how people normally get it done. So on the other one was they call it Quik. Okay, Quik. That is Quik. It's like the same Quik. So Quik is also a file which you can connect to your GoPros, and then GoPro is also a file that is like acting as a quick GoPro. So they are like a app like this one here. That is how from Quik the files normally look like this, and then from GoPro the files looks the other way. Okay, so they will just do the same jobs, the same works. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, by me, Wayne Hassan, as is it on.